Hello, smart data learners. Today we will be working on a DAX measure for calculating the percentages relative to the uh, main category or main region or uh, main city, something like that. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So for this presentation or for this video, we are again using the Microsoft uh, SQL Server database AdventureWorks Warehouse 2019, and here what we are trying to do is, so basically we have these countries: Australia, Canada, France, Germany, United States, and we have the relative regions, right? Right. So we have the region. For example, in Australia, we have New South Wales, Queensland, and all these. And we have total sales for the Australia is this, and we want to show here the country percentage of these sales uh, by the country. What are their percentage to the countries? For example, in New South Wales, we have sales of 43% relative to total sales of Australia, and so on. And if we drill down further to New South Wales, we have cities here, and in these cities, these cities relative percentage of sales to the country, right? So we will work on that and show you what measure and what functions of the DAX we will use. So let's look into the formula first. This is our formula. The formula is, let me read that and then we'll create again. Is a percentage over country, right? That's the name of our function, and there we have created two variables. Number one variable is basically a sales amount. Is a specific sales. So this is the sales relative to the like subheading of the main region or country. Like for example, the provincial, wherever we are showing the sales. It's specific sales, and then we want country sales. Country sales is equal to country sales is basically overall country, all country sales. And here we will use remove filters and values function. So we will write it variable country sales is equal to calculate sales amount, and then we will remove the filters from the dim geography values, dim geography English country region name. So we will remove the filters from the country, right? and that basically that will calculate the total sales for the country. And these will be the relative to the position of the sales in the chart in our matrix table. So variable result is equal to, then we divide the specific sales, the selected sales where we were looking for, like for example, if we are in a level of province, then these specific sales at the province level will be divided by the total country sales, and if we will be at a city level, the city's sales will be divided by the country sales, and then this will be result set. So let me write that formula again. Let's put it, save it somewhere, and we will, excuse me. So we'll rewrite this formula just to demonstrate. We'll create a new measure, and we will name the measure as percent over country, country is equal to first of all we'll specify specific sales variable SPEC specific sales is equal to, it's just a measure we have created here, total sales. We look at the effect internet sales, we have created a measure. This is our measure sales amount. It's just a sum of okay, basically it's just a sum of the sales amount, right? Let me write it down here. Okay, so we'll use this sales amount. This measure will come here, and then we will go next level. We have to create another variable, country sales. Here we will use calculate function, and then we will remove the filters from the country level. So we have to write down the table name, dim geography, comma, and then we select the values. country region name. Okay, now let's go. Here we'll use the where divide specific sales by country sales. Country sales. And then we simply write return result. So what, as already explained, that what we have done is basically we're trying to calculate the percentage of uh, of the province or city level sales to the country sales, right? So that's why, and we have removed the filter. That's why we remove the filters from the country region name, country sales. Basically, it's the name of the country, and values is basically it's each region. So we want to select for their sales, and then variable result. This is our result set is equal to divided by specific sales by country sales. So that's we have done it. Name is okay. It says percent sales over country. Hmm. We'll close that. So here we have we have to format it to percentage. Okay, so this says now it is clear in this table that we were looking for total sales or New South Wales sales to the country relative to country sales are 43%, and then so on with the Queensland and Queensland, South Australia, and so on. And if we go to the city level, we'll get the city sale to the country, and we can further, let's see if we can further go to the next geographic level. Sales territory. Let's select the territory also. This is territory 9. So it has only one territory, so that will show the same result. So every city has So it's territory 7. So basically, each city belongs to the one territory. So that won't give us anything. Let's go to the postal code level. So each basically that's what it says. It's I think that's address. So each city has one territory or postal code. So so I think until city level we can go from country to state and then to the city level. So wherever we go, we will get the automatic result from relative to the country. So for example, New South Wales, we have the sale, and then we have the sales relative to the country. And if we go to the city of Coff Harbor, we have this this is 2.60. So that's how this measure works. And in this measure, we utilize the remove filter. Basically, what we did is this specific sales means that we are the sales at levels where we are, right? And then this specific sale will be divided by automatically to the country level sales because we have removed the filter from the country and selected this values uh, of this sale, this specific country sale. So this that's how this measure works, and it's very useful in various scenarios where we have to show drill down to various levels that what is the percentage of sale city to a country, province to a country, and so on. So I hope this video will be useful, and if there are some questions or queries, please leave comments. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share and like this video. Thank you. Have a great day.